What's up, guys?
Hold up. Wait a minute. Something ain't right.
Yo! Yo!
No way. Don't feel the fall.
There's no way. There's no way. Long story short, upload when I upload. The goal is honestly once every 2 weeks is probably better. Bro, it's so weird. It's so weird starting these videos. But today I am installing a new head unit because my old head unit is ugly as hell. And today we're putting in a touchscreen head unit. And here's the box. They really just threw it in there. There's no like official packaging, but whatever, dude. It was cheap. I'll put the link in the, I was gonna say bio, in the description. But yeah, kind of a different video today. I'm not wrenching in the engine or wrenching on suspension or something. I love how I said, I'm not wrenching in the engine. And here I am with my engine bay open. Literally just to disconnect the battery, but like, still, dude. I am a shadow. I am a full shadow. Wait, hold on. Oh God. The battery on this camera is, why am I like, I have problems, dude. Oh my God, I have problems. The battery's almost dead, so I might switch to my phone. Oh my God. Bro, this is some cheap shit. Do you want to see the photo for the instructions, dude? What is that? That's how you know you got the cheap stuff, dog. So, this is what the old one looks like. Ugly as hell. Like, so outdated, ugly. So the first step is basically got my pry tool here, and you just pry it off. Oh, look at it. Yeah, dude. Woo! Oh, I have to transfer over these yellow clips onto the new one, but you'll see that. I'm gonna clean in here because it's dirty as fuck. And literally from there, it's just 4 screws that hold this in. One there, one there, one there, and then one there. That's it. It's super simple for once. Then after you take out the screws, literally, it just yanks out, dude. Okay. Why are they so... Oh my God, why are the wires so tight? Probably because this never has come out before. Jesus Christ. Okay. That one. Come out. Okay. All I'm doing is unplugging stuff. It's nothing crazy or special. Just unplug. Oh my God. That's literally it. The old one's out. And it's ugly. This is going to be the new one. Of course, it has the plastic on it, but I'm not one of those people who keeps the plastic on. I'm not one of those people who keep the plastic on. That pisses me off. But that's a new one, so you can tell it's just like night and day, way better. It's going to update the whole interior of the car. I love it already. It's not even in there yet. So basically, this one comes with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a backup camera, and that's basically it. It's basically a tablet for the car, which is awesome. Ooh, let me show the backside. And as you can see, it's fused, which is great, with a, what is that, 10 amp fuse. Awesome. That's actually sick. And yeah, everything you need is back here, and it's super simple, super easy. Those yellow clips I was talking about, as you can see, they don't have them. And if I flip over this one, it does, so I need to transfer those over, but not a big deal. And then transfer over my vents. plug in what needs to be plugged in, and that's basically it. Like, it's not hard. Okay, so it was supposed to be easy, and of course, like anything on this car, it wasn't easy. So basically, there's a plug that came with this plug interface, and the old one is like this. They look very similar. The issue is, as you can see, one is slightly, ever so slightly bigger than the other, this one being the bigger one, and it didn't fit. So the original goal was to take the wires out of the new harness and put them in the old plug. Unfortunately, it broke. So luckily this is just an antenna cable, and the old one has one. So basically I'm just reusing the old plug. I'm looking at the screen, but reusing the old plug and transferring over the one signal wire. I think I was able to get it out without breaking it, so I really hope it fits in here, please Lord, because I don't know what to do after that, and it literally does not fit. I tried for like 30 minutes, it doesn't fit, and it doesn't go anywhere else, and no, I don't have like an alternative harness. So hoping to God this goes in right now. Okay, so my battery just died. Awesome. But I'm gonna show you what I just did. So this is the new harness. Okay, let me get this. Dude, I know it's so dirty. I know, but this is the new harness. That's the power right there for the new radio. And where's the old clip? This clip is from the original harness. This is the one that was given. As you can see, they are very similar, but if I place them over top of each other, they are not actually that similar. So basically, all I did was how this is wired, right? The blue wire goes in beside the black wire for simple terms. You can't really see that, but oh, maybe I should turn on my flashlight. Yes, perfect. So you see the black wire is in the middle, the blue wire is that like spade connector right there on the right. That's how it was like in here. So as you can see, I kind of mucked it and destroyed it because this clip did not fit. Unfortunately, it really didn't fit. I tried so many different orientations, it would not go. So my plan was, okay, I'll take the cords out of this and put them in the old clip. If you have a WRX and you buy this, I assume that's what you're gonna have to do, because I tried looking through here, I couldn't find like an adapter or a converter or anything. This is for the rear camera. But yeah, so now I'm just gonna transfer everything over as I said before and install. Alright, it's in now after struggling to put the wire harness in behind there and tuck everything. So I attach my battery. Moment of truth right now. I routed the USB to my glove box, so if I ever need that, it's there. And let's hope to God this works, because I'm gonna cry if it doesn't. Do I rip this off? Fuck it. Oh my God, so nice. Alright, moment of truth. Will this work? Oh, LED's turned on. Oh, okay. It's on. It's on. Not gonna lie, I didn't think it was gonna work, but it's okay. Let's listen to some radio. 106.9. Woo! Oh, does my steering wheel controls work? No, my steering wheel controls don't work. I will figure that out. Oh my god, and it has the thing. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Okay, I'm excited. Okay, I'm gonna play with the settings. I'll be right back. That's like the main screen. You can go into Bluetooth. Playing some Juice WRLD there. And then, yeah, I don't have a Bluetooth thing connected, but navigation, radio. It said you can use Android Auto with, oh, it's downloaded. It's like you can use Android Auto with just Bluetooth, but that doesn't work, and I have to plug in my USB cord that I routed down there. So thank God I did that, right? Pretty much it's in, which is great. The only downsides I would say about this are, one, I had to modify harnesses, which sucks, and two, I don't have my steering wheel controls, which I really want, but I'm going to investigate that more and probably update you guys if I get that to work. But yeah, other than that, it's pretty good. The Bluetooth is kind of choppy, but I just started using it, so hopefully with more use it gets better, or I don't know, maybe it's just choppy. Alright, I have advancements. It's pretty dark, but I figured out how to get the steering wheel's controls to work, thank God. Literally all I had to do, funny enough, go to apps, go to car settings. I thought it was in car settings here, and then nothing showed up, so I thought, oh well, what the hell. Literally, you just scroll, and then you go to steering wheel learn. For instance, I will do pick up the phone. You click it, and I'm gonna hold down, you can't see my finger, but I'm gonna hold this button down, and then set up success. That's literally all you do, and I already did all of them for skip, volume up, volume down, basically everything. So now with that done, I would say this system is way better because that was really starting to piss me off, but luckily I fixed it. The only annoying thing I would say about this is the system beep, and I can't, listen, I hate that noise. I don't want that there, but